Hey guys, yo Ange.
Coca-Cola Joe.
Coca-Cola Joe. We found like one of the coolest little cabanas here. And actually it's really windy out because we're kind of sailing by a storm. But I kind of love this little thing. We're totally protected in this little steel thing and it's bolted down. We're waiting for the poke place to open. I love poke. Joe's excited. Are you? Oh, yeah. You're loving it, aren't you?
I'm loving people work while there's weather.
You love that you can get free candy, free arcade, free ice cream,
Coca-Cola coffee.
Coca-Cola all over the place.
I've been really digging the Coca-Cola.
You have. You've really been digging. This is a Joe kind of cruise.
So I had coffee in the morning with several coffees. And now I'm in the Coca-Cola mode.
Perfect.
So now I'll switch to coffee later, but I gotta get my share of Coke.
Okay. Okay, baby. Nations on the cruise. Number one, everybody is extremely, extremely hospitable, nice, and helpful, right?
Friendly.
Super friendly. All the crew is great.
All the people on board are not pounding the alcohol in the bars.
Yeah, it's not like a party.
Bars are
Everybody
like
would think
normal.
Virgin's like this party thing. It totally isn't.
All
I
the
swear,
bars
it's a
are
different kind of
There's
clientele.
no stacks of people 10 deep. They just go up there and drink.
Right?
Correct.
So, and then another thing we found, there's no cruise director. They have what's called the happenings cast. So everybody participates, all the staff participates, and they really do approach you in a very friendly manner. Like, hey, let's join in and have fun, right?
All right.
Everywhere. Talent, I think, is top notch. Like from the people that are performing in the little alcoves around the ship, I was
lot of alcoves.
super
A
incredibly
lot of alcoves.
impressed with their talent. And then another thing at the bars or in any place, even the buskers, even the people that are performing, no tip jars.
Not one.
There is not one tip jar anywhere.
I gave a guy a tip at a
Like somebody wanted to give one of the people that were performing a tip, and he had to just give it to him on his lap.
He was playing guitar.
But that to me was great. There's no tip jar at the coffee place, none of the bars, none of them.
Yeah.
You do not see that here. So they must really pay their staff really well. I'm very impressed with that. What about you?
Yeah, I'm relaxed.
Joe is totally relaxed. All right, we'll be there.
That way I don't have to. Give it up for our ballroom dancers. It's Fred and Ginger, y'all. They are resurrected. I don't dance anymore. I'm a queen, okay? I'm dancing right now. You just can't see it because my feet are moving. Little soft shoe. Oh, yes. Let's go back to the sea. Now I know. That you bring. Holy shit. You're our first official Voyagers, friends. How does it feel? Amazing. It feels really amazing from a performer's aspect too because, you know, we've had nobody. We had only like 1,100 people on our friends and family voyage, so it was so intimate. It was lovely. Well, they were friends and family, so we loved them, you know. We loved them. But some of them were terrible. We'll just put that out there.
Family.
Not everyone has good family. I'm just gonna say that. Word. I love it. You are smashed. And I love that thing. Your cheeks are pink, and I don't know whether it's because it's so fucking hot in here, or it's my beauty. If I start to dribble down my chest, please tell me, because I can't feel it. Okay. Unless you like titty sweat. Everyone thinks that these are real, honey. These are not. It's just a push-up bra and a corset. Same. And yes, I am a man in a dress. We'll get that over there. I have to ask the question with so many people. How many people here have never seen a drag queen before in their life? It's okay to answer yes. A couple people. I love that. Well, it's fine. It's fine. Now you get to see a good one. Just gonna put that out there. I love it. Friends, like I said before, my name is Dixie Krystals, so please give me a follow on all the social platforms because I do tons of shit all over the country. So I might be in your city. You already follow, I know. How many people already follow? I surely buy you that Cadillac, whatever you need, anytime. He just raised his hand when I said married. I hope it stays this way. That's right here. Oh yeah, we're always gonna be here again. Whatever you need, anytime at the day about. And when we all get real, we're walking here away. Have no fear, 'cause honey, I'm always queer. And we'll see and say thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being my friend. Oh, thank you for being my friend. I wanna thank you for being my friend. Oh yeah, baby, now what? I'm gonna thank you, and you. I wanna thank you. I'm gonna thank you for being my friend. And when we fly and float away into the night, the Milky Way, you'll hear me call as we ascend. Then I'll say on your names. Then once again, thank you for being my friend.